Things as a trauma recovery practitioner that I forget that most people don't know, but everybody needs to know. Number 1, if you have struggled with severe nervous system dysregulation, fight, flight, freeze, fawn, silent meditations can activate protector parts, and not only that, can be incredibly distressing for your system. Number 2, you do not need to be running, doing power hit workouts and vinyasa flows. This is literally kicking your nervous system up into the fight or flight survival mode, and it's not doing you any good. Being tired all the time and feeling lazy, yeah, it's not a moral issue. It's not a matter of willing yourself into it. You don't need a life coach. You need a somatic practitioner. Excessive talking and storytelling is a defense mechanism and a protector part that oftentimes tries to take over the session with people who have complex trauma. Again, not a moral issue, not an issue like you just need to talk less. You need a skillful practitioner that can work with this aspect of you and also gently bring you back into the body, but also someone who can give you things other than just the trauma vortex that's happening to resource. Oh, and cold plunges can do more harm than good with severe autonomic dysregulation.